Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a step-by-step guide on how to make money on Temu. Temu is one of the largest websites out there, with millions of people making money on it every day. For those who don't know, what is Temu? Temu is an online shopping platform that offers a wide range of products at affordable prices. They have a strong presence on Google Play and the App Store, with millions of downloads. So, how can you make money on Temu? It's simple. All you need to do is sign up for their affiliate program. Here's how. 1. Go to Temu and scroll down to the bottom of the page. 2. Click on the Affiliate and Influencer tab. 3. Sign up for the program using your email, phone number, or Google account. Benefits of the affiliate program. As an affiliate, you can earn anywhere from 5% to 20% commission on sales generated through your unique referral link. Plus, you'll get a $5 bonus for each person who downloads the Temu app using your link. To get started, you'll need to create content that promotes Temu products. You can use social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube to share your content. Tips for success. Here are some tips to help you succeed. Create high-quality content that showcases Temu products. Use relevant hashtags to increase your reach. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. Utilize Linktree to organize your affiliate links. Making money on Temu requires effort and dedication, but it's a great opportunity to earn some extra cash. Remember to create high-quality content, engage with your audience, and utilize the right tools to succeed. Thanks for watching, and I wish you good luck on your Temu journey. If you have any questions or need further guidance, please leave a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and guides.